The angle I have it as like watching a dog try to pull a treat through a fence.
Holding on for dear life, for real.
I just keep seeing wrench go in and just twist, wrench go in.
Come on.
Hold.
There we go. I've got one at the top that's not wanting to cooperate.
Oh, the rest of them came out pretty smooth.
Yeah. I wanted a 13 ratchet into the wrench, I believe. Hey, I need a pry bar.
Here you go, brother.
Maybe a small flathead screwdriver. This ain't a pry bar. Just have to take these off. I don't know how much that would really give me either. Where the pry bar went. Yeah, there's the pry bar six. I don't think I'll be able to get a bigger one under here anyway, Bouncy. I need a hammer too.
Okay.
That's pretty cool too for the air conditioner runoff.
What?
The tube right here.
Yeah, I got a...
Okay, hold on. See how I did that? So I can get to this bolt up here now. I'm tightening it. Oh, Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny.
My bad, I didn't see you, buddy. Hey, give me just a second, man. I'm in a tight spot, buddy. What are you up to today?
Enjoying the weather.
Shit, I hear you. It ain't supposed to rain all day either, I don't think. I think it's gonna rain for like a fucking week.
It is?
Yeah, after today.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, like, 20-30% chance, cloudy and shit,
Put the exhaust on and everything.
Yeah, that's what we're doing to this.
The fender is 21 alone.
25.
Oh, it went up to 25?
Almost got it. This son of a bitch is a terror. Come on, man. A few more.
Well, I'm more or less a gremlin when it comes to cars. I accidentally break them. So we found something I woke up with.
Where's that 13? Other 13. There it went. Yeah.
Actually, if you want to be technical, we're up to about 45 minutes.
Hey.
Don't get overconfident there, buddy.
Oh, look, Josh.
What?
Look, where all the noise comes from. As soon as I dropped that can,
Oh, yeah.
that flex pipe was completely burnt, gone.
Yeah.
So, hang on, go on, get it out from there. Yeah, that's a new can. That's newer than this catalytic converter's been replaced, Josh. Or I ain't never seen one this old that clean. Look down in there.
What?
I got my finger.
Jeremy,
What?
goddamn, I got my finger, bro.
Where?
Where?
Through the fucking bumper. Did you get that?
Yes, I did.
I was going to hit it with some WD-40.
All right, one more bolt. It's looking like. What you doing, bud?
Just checking out everything. I was thinking if I need to take any of these brackets and shit off.
Or if I can get in here and do what I need to do. Are you talking shit?
He's always talking shit.
Oh, I think I did. A blessing from the Lord. That hard son of a bitch bolt back there, the last guy left it out.
All right, Lewboski. Oh, where am I going?
Oh, wow. Oof. As soon as it popped up, I was like, Predator.
I'm just trying to take his bumper.
So removal of the bumper.
Yeah, I got
What the?
You don't need that. Don't laugh. That was important.
I seen it go pew on the camera. I wonder if I could go back and check the recording and see where it went.
They just don't want to accept that this is okay. Yeah, watch out. It's going to try to pop out. Pop up. Oh, no. It's going to come off.
No, it gets better.
Does it? I hope
Yeah.
so.
You just over wrenching, you know. You ain't, I mean, you wrench once or twice a week, 3 times. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You wrench every day. I wake up. Sometimes my hands are all swollen up. Can't hardly move them, but I mean, they finally loosen up. You know.
All
But
right.
that locking up shit, that's from over wrenching too.
Yeah.
No.
Hold on. It's got to come at an angle. One more right here.
Right there. Is that it? It's a flip. Is it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get a
No.
wrench
Keep on
on.
going back. No rust up in here. Let me take a look at it. It's a clip. Look, yeah, just pop that.
All right, hold on.
And then
Something with substance.
that football down. That's that one right there.
All right, pull back up for a second.
That's what she said.